It's a 2007 Chevrolet Avalanche. Features include OnStar Emergency SOS, a multi-speaker stereo sound system with a CD player, a powerful bow-tie V8 engine, four-wheel anti-lock vented disc brakes, driveline traction control, and electronic stability control. It also features front and rear anti-sway bars, keyless entry, and power door locks with two-stage unlock. Topping the list of the world's most versatile vehicles, this Avalanche offers both SUV comfort and pickup truck capability.
63 South in Rochester, Minnesota. Click or stop in today. We're conveniently located between 40th Street and 48th Street Southeast on Highway 6.